Breaking right now for Bear. I got 1/12/13 in the game memorabilia 12th edition hockey hobby box. Okay, good. Want to make sure you're in the room. Good luck, man. Let's get you some big hits out of here. Like I said, guys, Series 1, 2 case breaks, limited hockey. Series 1, number 1's going off today. Limited hockey is going off today. If we can get number 2 filled, that'll go off today. So buy those teams. Really good teams left in there. Like I said, I knocked anywhere from $8 to $25 off those prices. So some really good teams. Get yourself some nice young guns in there. And we ship every card, so you're going to get every card pulled for your team, and that's always fun. Empty. There we are. Starting off, 12/13 Ultimate Memorabilia, 46 out of 60, Henrik Lundqvist. Ultimate base card, Emerald Green, Henrik Lundqvist. 46 of 60, Henrik Lundqvist. Next up, 11/29 Auto, Silver Signature, Jaromir Jagr. 11/29 Jaromir Jagr. Nice start right there. Ultimate Memorabilia, All-Star Silver Year, Urbe, Lindstrom, and Madonna. 8/24, Urbe, Lindstrom, and Madonna. These are pretty awesome. There you are, 8/24. A few more boxes to go. Really fun product so far. Next up, 29/30, Eric Lindros. 29/30, Eric Lindros. Ultimate base card, silver. Future Stars Auto jersey, Ryan Murphy. 13/24, Ryan Murphy jersey swatch auto. 13/24, Ryan Murphy. Nice auto right there. Hockey guys always seem to have pretty decent autos. I don't know why. And next up, Mike Modano. Triple jersey right there from 98, 99, and 2000. That's 1/24. Mike Modano, 1/24. Those are pretty cool. I like that idea. Still got 3 more boxes to go to. Like I said, grab those teams in Series 2 hockey. We got break 1 and 2. Grab a spot in our limited case break, dual case break, 30 boxes of 2012-13 limited hockey. Plus, I'm giving away a signed Evgeny Malkin mini helmet for $39.95. Just 11 spots left in that. That's going off today. Boris Samling, 460. They said, don't forget about Premier Players Baseball. We had a monster case yesterday. Get a box for yourself, $199.95. Next up, 1/9. Triple gold auto and jersey, Joe Sakic. 1/9, Joe Sakic. Jersey and an auto. 1/9 Joe Sakic. Low number, nice one. Next up, 3/24 country of origin, Naslund, Samling, and Lube. 3/24. Two more boxes to go. There we go. So these are the ones I want to come out. Next up, 30/60 Daniel Sedin. 30/60 Daniel Sedin. Base card. Next up, 101 goalie jersey gold Marc-Andre Fleury. 101 Marc-Andre Fleury jersey swatch auto. The Flower 101. Next up, Cujo 11/24 jersey swatch to the Hall Curtis Joseph. 11/24 Cujo. We got one more box. $25 of 60, Seth Jones. 25 of 60, Seth Jones. That's kind of hard to see with the light. 25 of 60, Seth Jones. 19 of 19, goalie legend Johnny Bauer. Jersey swatch auto, 19 of 19. And 2 of 24, Ultimate Memorabilia Goalie Generations, Parent, Hextall, and Brizgalov. Triple jersey right there. 2 of 24. All right, some nice stuff coming out of there. Thanks for the order, Barry. Got a 101, got some low number, got a low number, 1 of 9 sacking. Thanks, man. Fun order. Glad we get that out in time for you. We'll get this packed up and shipped out for you, man. Thank you.